Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Textnow account. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily create your unlimited Textnow account. So I would need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys to do is very simple. So you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Google or your browser. Now once you open your Google or your browser, then you search for temp mail. Now once you search for temp mail, there are many. You can see a lot of links over here, but I'll advise you to download this special one. Just download the first one. So just click on the first link with this logo, and you can see it is loading. So just wait as it is loading, and you can see your temporary email address. So just wait as it is loading for your email address. So just wait for a while, and you can see loading. So it is loading for your email address. So just wait as it is loading. Now you can see this over here. Now in this case, all you need to do is to copy. Just click on copy. Just click on copy, and once you have copied it, you can see copied. All you need to do is to use this email to create your unlimited Textnow account. Now with this, you can use this email to create your unlimited Textnow account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new